11:58 AM, March 26, 2025. Babalik sa part 1, New English My Vlog. By the way, guys, kay Captain na manggod namo, present ko niya, bali, wala lang ko nagsuot og kini short pan. Although dili man kini ang pinaka first time na ako nga nagingani ko, di ba? Pero this is the first time sa Capstone era na nagpantalon ko karon nga magkaon. Kay moadto pa ko karon sa Magallanes. Oo. Mag-ay na center ko. Then moadto ko mabalik pa ko diri alas 2 or before 1 or before 2 PM. Naka-charge akong laptop, guys. I-fully charge dapat na siya. Lima kutsara kanon, 5 kutsara since ito nakatid for this survive. Eleven kutsara. Six kabuok tilap. Mag-discuss pinagmay. Nato diri sa kuan, bag sa laptop. Ang actually dili man ko dapat magdala og script, pero pwede man daw mag-script. So wala pa gud ko nahuman sa script. So ang among schedule supposedly 5 to 6:30. Pero alauna magsugod si Ma'am Rosie para sa midterm sa kuan. Instead na 11 mag-start, alauna mag-start. So ang move siya from 5 na imog 6 PM or 7 PM. Sa kuang understanding kay about ni sa stray animals, ang background of the study na ang stray animals ay this is a worldwide problem. This is a global phenomena. According to research, according to statistics, there are 143 million stray dogs, while the number of homeless cats are 203 million. About sa applications for about pet adoption, I searched two applications. One is came from the USA and the one is from UK. The app from the US is called Pet Finder, while the app from the UK is called Adopt a Pet. Okay, another na naman siya. In the Philippines, stray animals became a great concern. As of the year 2019, the number of abandoned stray dogs and cats are as counted as 12 million. These abandoned animals carry disease like rabies and can pass that to humans. The animals are abandoned because of the financial problem, and a lot of these animals came from not so rich owners, and because of that, owners can't afford food and the cost of the food to give them, to support them, to provide them. Okay, sa Davao City has stray animals, and the government in Davao City has a solution that these stray animals should spay and neuter, and there are spaying and neutering services so that these abandoned animals cannot give birth to puppies and the kittens because they are abandoned. They have no support when it comes to food. In Davao City, as many as 3,600 dogs and cats are sterilized. One of the biggest challenges here in Davao City, we have no centralized platform to solve this problem. And to address this challenge, our group has a plan to create a POMate app. The purpose is to connect the rescuers of animal lovers or shelter volunteers and adopters. One of the general adju- one of the general objective here is to create POMate. It helps to rescue and rehome stray animals quickly. For the LGUs and the animal welfare groups, they can use POMate to track the abandoned animals. And for the users, the veterinarians and the pet related businesses, they can partner with us to offer the medical care, food, and adoption services. Diri naman ta sa scope, ako siyang giingani. So giingani na ako siya na ay R. Kumingong kag R, report. SU is sign up, F foster, ML is machine learning, D is donation, RT is real time, LF is sorry ng LF gani. Lost and found pala. CE so tawag gani CE community engagement, and EA is emergency alerts. Report, sign up, foster, machine learning, donation, real time, lost and found, community engagement, and emergency alerts. So mao lang to. So kumbaga mura nakulbaan man ko guys. Kulbaan ko kay dapat manggod, dapat naistudihan ni siya 1 week before ang actual na defense. Kay kagabi manggod wala gyud kay nakuan. So kaganiha mao lang to ang fresh start, and by the way naka-charge ang laptop. So I have to say right now nga magbabay ko karon guys kasi moadto ko pa ko karon sa Aina Center. Key Tech is Rex Brag Tips for All.